Hello friends, welcome to BodyLattice 3D, where we explore the inner workings of the human body in a fun and easy to understand way. In today's video, we'll discover the top 5 popular fruits and their amazing effects on your body. So let's get started and see how your favorite fruits impact your heart, brain, digestion, and overall health. Apples are one of the most powerful and widely studied fruits in the world, and their health benefits are far more impressive than most people realize. When you eat an apple, the first thing your body receives is a rich supply of soluble fiber, known as pectin. This fiber helps lower bad cholesterol, supports healthy digestion, and promotes smooth bowel movement by feeding the beneficial bacteria inside your gut. Apples are also packed with antioxidants, especially quercetin, which reduces inflammation, protects your cells from oxidative damage, and supports a stronger immune system. The natural vitamin C boosts collagen production, helping your skin stay fresh, bright, and youthful. Apples also release natural fruit sugars slowly, giving you stable, long-lasting energy without sudden spikes in blood sugar. Inside your brain, compounds in apples help protect nerve cells and may slow down age-related memory decline. In your heart, the fiber and antioxidants work together to keep arteries flexible and improve blood circulation. Eating just one apple a day can significantly support your heart, digestive system, immune system, and overall cellular health, making apples one of the simplest and most effective choices for daily nutrition. Bananas are one of the best natural sources of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure, muscle function, and nerve activity. When you eat a banana, the potassium immediately begins balancing the fluid levels inside your cells, supporting a stronger cardiovascular system and a more stable heartbeat. Bananas also contain natural carbohydrates that provide long-lasting energy, making them a perfect fuel for your muscles and brain. Their dietary fiber, particularly resistant starch, helps improve digestion, supports healthy gut bacteria, and promotes smooth bowel movements. Inside your brain, bananas help produce serotonin, a chemical responsible for mood regulation, stress reduction, and better sleep quality. Their rich supply of vitamins B6 and C strengthens your immune system, supports oxygen flow in the blood, and helps your body convert food into usable energy. Bananas also contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress. They support muscle recovery, reduce cramps, and help replenish nutrients after physical activity. With powerful benefits for digestion, heart health, energy production, and emotional well-being, bananas stand as one of the most complete and convenient fruits on the planet. Guava is one of the most nutrient-dense fruits on Earth, often called a superfruit because of its extraordinary vitamin and mineral content. A single guava contains almost 4 times more vitamin C than an orange, giving your immune system a powerful boost. This high vitamin C content supports collagen production for firm skin, strong bones, and healthy blood vessels. Guava is packed with dietary fiber, making it excellent for digestion. It helps regulate bowel movements, supports gut bacteria, and reduces the chances of constipation. Its antioxidants help protect your cells from inflammation and oxidative stress. Inside the heart, potassium and fiber work together to regulate blood pressure and improve circulation. In the brain, guava's B vitamins support nerve health and help your body convert food into clean, steady energy. Guava also contains lycopene and other antioxidants that support eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related vision problems. Because guava stabilizes blood sugar, it's considered one of the best fruits for metabolic health. With powerful benefits for the immune system, heart, digestion, skin, and energy levels, guava is truly one of nature's strongest protective fruits. Grapes may look small, but they are incredibly powerful when it comes to health. Each grape is filled with antioxidants, especially resveratrol, which is famous for protecting the heart and improving the health of blood vessels. As soon as grapes enter your digestive system, their natural compounds begin supporting smoother blood flow, helping maintain healthy blood pressure and reducing overall inflammation in the body. Inside the brain, grapes help boost memory, reaction time, and mental clarity by protecting neurons from free radical damage. Their natural sugars provide clean, stable energy that supports both physical and mental performance. Grapes are also rich in water and electrolytes, keeping your body hydrated and helping maintain healthy muscle function. In your digestive system, grape fiber feeds the friendly bacteria in your gut, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Their powerful antioxidants also support your skin by reducing oxidative stress, helping slow down signs of aging, and giving your skin a healthier, brighter appearance. Regular consumption of grapes supports heart health, improves brain performance, boosts hydration, and strengthens the body on a cellular level, making grapes one of the most nutrient-dense fruits you can add to your daily diet.
Oranges are famous for their vitamin C, but their benefits go far beyond immunity. When you eat an orange, your body receives a strong dose of antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect your cells. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, which strengthens your skin, supports wound healing, and keeps your joints flexible and healthy. Oranges also contain natural fiber, which helps maintain digestion, supports gut health, and keeps blood sugar levels stable. Their citrus compounds, such as hesperidin, help relax blood vessels and improve circulation, making oranges excellent for heart health. Inside your immune system, vitamin C strengthens white blood cells, helping your body fight infections more effectively. Oranges keep you hydrated because they contain nearly 87% water, helping support kidney function and overall fluid balance. In the brain, citrus aroma and nutrients help improve alertness, reduce stress, and enhance mental clarity. Their antioxidants also support healthy vision by protecting your eyes from age-related damage. With hydration, natural energy, immune support, and strong anti-inflammatory effects, oranges are one of the most complete fruits for daily health.
Friends, these were the top 5 fruits and their incredible benefits for your body. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share, and subscribe to BodyLattice 3D to watch more interesting and educational videos. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.